आतां खबरो विस्तारान. गोंय बेरोजगार सहाय आनी स्वयंरोजगार बिल 2018 अंतर्गत बेरोजगार तरणाट्यांक म्हयन्यान 10,000 भत्तो मेळपाक जाय म्हण काँग्रेसीचे आदले आमदार लुइझिनो फालेरून याद करून दिल्या. तशेंच राज्यान वाडट्या ड्रग्सांच्या केशींचेर हुस्को व्यक्त केला. आरडी एक्सको खातीर पणजेच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार.
फाल्यां आमच्या गोंयचो क्रांती दिन. म्हजे नदरेन एक म्हत्वाचो दीस आनी ह्या क्रांती दिसाक हें जें बील हांवें फाटल्या विधानसभेंत हाडलें, गोवा अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट अलावन्स एंड सेल्फ एम्प्लॉयमेंट स्कीम बील, तें एसेंब्ली येवं ना. कारण म्हणजे आमची एसेंब्ली जी 1 म्हयन्याची आशिल्ली ती फकत 4 दिसां गेली आनी हें बील तेन्ना एसेंब्लीन लॉ डिपार्टमेंटात हाडलें आनी फायनान्स डिपार्टमेंटात हाडलें. म्हणटकच हांवें आनीक नोटीस दिवपाक थारायलां. कायद्यान आनीक नोटीस दिवपाक गरज ना, कित्याक बील इज बिफोर द हावस. आतां हें बील नवें बील न्हू. तुमचे कडेन याद आसतली हांवें 1991 वर्साक लेबर मिनिस्टर हे नात्यान एम्प्लॉयमेंट पॉलिसी फॉर गोवा, एम्प्लॉयमेंट फॉर ऑल म्हणून ही पॉलिसी हाडली. देर इज नॉट ओनली टोटल इकॉनॉमिक मेल्टडाउन इन गोवा, employment has come to a grinding halt with the closure of many of the industries and no hope for the new industries, with the closure of mines and mining sector and with the mining attendants knocking at the door of the government. I think it's a state of emergency. I'm very happy that our Honorable Chief Minister has come back yesterday. I hope he will be able to take some decisions and I will support him. The jobs which should have been rightfully theirs as per the directive principle of the Constitution. Most of our people are working abroad. And the saddest thing, many of our youth are taking foreign citizenship, not because they love less Goa, because they find there is no hope here. There is no hope of employment. So they would like to go abroad. And that money is coming. Banks are there, but banks are not recruiting Goans anymore. We cannot totally depend on the government jobs. In the industries where I had brought legislations and notifications wherein the industries could get a provisional registration within 24 hours as a matter of right, not favor. But there was a provision that 80% jobs must be given to Goans. Otherwise, they were not getting permanent registration, they were not getting income tax holiday, they were not getting sales tax holiday, they were not getting the package of incentives. Today, what has happened? Today, all the jobs in the private sector, in the industries, are handled by some contractors who are acting like the agents of the industries, and they are recruiting boys and girls from outside Goa.